The French army is rapidly deploying the innovative DT-46 drones in external theaters of operation. Developed by Delair, these UAVs are designed to support Caesar artillery systems, marking a significant step in modernizing French land forces. This modernization draws from lessons learned in the Ukraine conflict, showcasing the vital role of drones in contemporary warfare. The DT-46 is a versatile multi-role platform, capable of both vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, and traditional fixed-wing operations. With a range of up to 100 kilometers and an endurance of 6 hours in fixed-wing mode, 3.5 hours in VTOL, the DT-46 can adapt to various mission requirements. It carries payloads up to 5 kilograms, including advanced sensors like optoelectric systems, thermal imaging, and lidar. Compliant with STANAG 4609, it integrates seamlessly with military systems such as SCORPION and DRAKO, enhancing network-centric warfare capabilities. Drawing from Ukraine's battlefield insights, the DT-46 excels in reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition, extending artillery reach and improving strike precision. Its integration into the Atlas system optimizes command, logistics, and reconnaissance, reducing targeting times and boosting operational efficiency. This synergy between drones, artillery, and command systems enables faster, more accurate strikes, minimizing collateral damage.